Turning off your Samsung Galaxy phone is a simple process, and there are multiple ways to do it depending on your preference or the condition of your device. Whether your phone's physical buttons are working properly or not, Samsung provides convenient options to safely power off your device. Below are two easy methods you can follow. Method 1. Turn off using the quick settings panel, no buttons required. If your phone's power or volume buttons are damaged, or you simply prefer using the touch screen, you can turn off your Samsung Galaxy phone directly from the quick settings panel. Start by unlocking your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to open the full quick settings menu. In the top right corner, you'll notice the power icon. Tap on it to open the power menu. A few options will appear, including power off, restart, and emergency mode. Tap power off, then tap power off once more to confirm your choice. Within a few seconds, your Samsung Galaxy phone will safely shut down. This method ensures that all running apps close properly before the device powers off. Method 2. Use the power and volume down buttons. If your phone's physical buttons are functioning normally, this is one of the quickest ways to turn off the device. Press and hold the power side button and the volume down button at the same time for a few seconds. When the power menu appears on the screen, you'll see several options such as power off, restart, and emergency mode. Tap power off, then tap power off again to confirm. Your Samsung Galaxy phone will automatically begin the shutdown process and turn off safely. We hope this guide helped. Use either method to quickly and safely turn off your Samsung Galaxy phone whenever you need to save battery or troubleshoot your device.